This is Michigan Crime Time, and I am Jess. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the show. Today's case is a young lady that I think got in a little bit over her head. To quote a song, she thought she was a bad bitch. I don't think she is. She's not as bad as she thought she was. Anyways, as usual, I am not an attorney. I am not giving any legal advice, nor am I putting forth any legal conclusions. All comments are my opinion. All persons are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. If you like my channel, then please consider subscribing to my memberships. The link is in the description. There is also the link for my brand new merch shop. I have some logos from Michigan Crime Time. I have some special items just for your dog and you. I have some theme judge items, or judge themed-ish items, I should say. Anyways, let's get over to the courtroom, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Good morning, your name, please. Or afternoon, your name. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And again, good afternoon. You're here for case 22045-745, People State of Michigan versus Taja Denise Williams, identified in the complaint as defendant 1, also known as Taja D. Williams. Here. For a waive formal reading under a plea of not guilty, Ms. Williams, the court scheduling a pretrial date you must attend via Zoom, April the 27th. That's a Thursday, 8:30, 36th District Court in front of Judge Bryant. Via Zoom, April the 27th, 8:30, Judge Bryant. Understood?
Yes.
Thank you. Not guilty, please entered on your behalf. Anything else to find? She surrendered herself. Thank you. One moment. Counselor, her employment status again? Thank you. Ms. Williams, these are very serious assaultive allegations, ma'am, and the court has taken into consideration no capious history, criminal convictions, or allegations of assault whatsoever. I've taken consideration your ties to the community, lack of employment status as it relates to ability to post bond, as well as the information alleged investigators reported in the pandemic facing the nation. All taken into consideration, as well as the very serious assaultive allegations set forth in the investigators report. These are very serious allegations, Ms. Williams, which lean towards the likelihood of conviction and take into consideration employment status as relates to ability to post bond, lack thereof, as well as the likelihood of conviction. What's concerning is alleged, ma'am, that while at a Dollar Tree, an employee was stocking the shelf and you allegedly said, "We're gonna have to beat these employees' ass. What you looking at?" And proceeded to assault the individual. Ms. Williams, I'm not saying, I'm reading the allegations in the investigator's report, which are concerning. It's alleged also that there are injuries sustained to the first complainant, including but not limited to injuries on the right finger, left eye, pain to the back and arms. It's further concerning alleged that upon information or upon investigation of the officers at the scene, you were asked allegedly to exit your vehicle multiple times and refused to comply with officers' orders. Officers attempt to pull the door handle and it was locked. It allegedly took approximately 8 minutes for you to comply with the officer's request, and that's very concerning regarding your intention to appear and honor the court's orders, as well as the assaultive allegation. The court has concerns regarding individual safety, specifically the safety of the complainant and the public, given these assaultive allegations on apparently an employee at a store. So, Ms. Williams, for those reasons, during this bond, there's no use of alcohol, no illegal controlled substance. You are not to purchase or possess a firearm or any dangerous weapon. You have absolutely no contact with Dejanay Walton and no contact with Antonisha Killings. That's no contact of any kind, no contact orally in writing through a third person at their place of residency, employment, or through any forms of social media. No contact with either of those individuals. Is that understood?
Yes.
I want you to seek employment, look for a job, and be prepared to
I am.
present. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I am.
Wait, your attorney wants to give you some advice. Counsel, go ahead.
Talk about your bond or bond conditions. Do not say anything. Please don't say anything. You don't have to ask, you don't have to answer the question. I mean, you don't have to ask the question. Just ask. Better that you remain silent, unless it's about your bond or bond conditions.
That was your attorney giving you advice. Any questions after his advice? And ma'am, could you move your hair out of your eyes so we can see your face, please? Thank you, I appreciate that. So Ms. Williams, no alcohol, no illegal controlled substance, no weapons, no contact with either of those individuals. Do not go to the area or premises of 8055 East 8 Mile in Detroit, Michigan. That's a Dollar Tree. No contact with the area or premises of 17959 Mitchell in Detroit or 19338 Gallagher in Detroit. Understood?
Yes.
And you are going to be released on a $10,000 personal bond. Prior to being released, you are going to be fit with a GPS tether, and that will require you to be under house arrest. You will be allowed to leave if you're seeking employment. If you're not seeking employment, you are not to leave your home unless told otherwise, other than seeking employment. Understood, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
I got, the landlord want me to go to, the landlord is asking me to basically leave my house for a minute. I don't know. Like they're providing me with room because they
I can't hear you, Ms. Williams. I don't hear your question. If you have a question, please speak up about it. And your attorney wants to give you more advice, counsel. Go ahead.
It's not about the bond conditions, please don't say anything. Permission to speak.
Yes, go ahead.
I understand your concern, I understood your concern discussing, is allegedly that the police took 8 minutes to get her out of the truck. But she did show initiative that, I'm not sure what was going on in that matter, I'm not even sure that was the case. Because I wasn't privy to watching any of the cameras from the body cameras. She did turn herself in at 3 a.m. to handle this matter, you know. That shows us more people take care of, she's not gonna be a fight. Doesn't have any criminal history. There's no criminal history at all, and it didn't take for, like I said, this is the arrest, it's not even, my client bringing it up. She has two children that she's looking at. She's not in jail, she's probably not the case, she doesn't have any penitentiary. And hasn't had anything happen since this incident that happened, roughly in November. Yeah.
Counsel advocates well on your behalf, Ms. Williams, and the court has taken into consideration the information that he reiterated, and the court agrees you surrendered yourself to authorities, but these are very serious allegations on an alleged store employee. I don't see, and it has concerns. So, Ms. Williams, the court given, what's that? What's that, Ms. Williams?
I need to see this paperwork that they trying to convict me of, like, that's.
Ms. Williams, can you hear me? Right now, I need you to remain silent. I need you to remain silent.
All right.
Ms. Williams, I was stating, counsel has advocated well on your behalf as always, and the court though still has the same concerns, is giving counsel's recommendation. And Miss Williams, you're gonna have to pay attention to the court. I don't know why you're looking to your right, but you'd be looking straight ahead at the court. There's nobody more important that you should be listening to than myself and your attorney right now. Pay attention to the court, okay?
Okay.
The court striking that condition of the tethering. Welcome, but is adding a 5 p.m. curfew. Miss Williams, I still want you to get a job, look for a job. I don't know why you're shaking your head, but Miss Williams, you're going to have a 5 p.m. curfew, ma'am. You're to be in your home by 5 p.m. You still have the same no contact with those 2 individuals and the areas, same no weapons, no alcohol, no illegal controlled substance. You receive a personal bond. You will not get a tether, but you do have a curfew. You are not to be out and about for any reason past 5 p.m. If you're out and about, even go to the store after 5 p.m., that's a violation of the bond that's likely to get you locked back up. Is that understood, Miss Williams?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Counsel? Good luck, Miss Williams.
Okay, what did you guys think of that one? I really do think she thought that she was a bad bitch, and I don't think she thought she was gonna end up spending some time in jail or on house arrest and being told that she can only leave to find a job. I mean, I'm not gonna argue with the judge. I think she does need to find a job because obviously allegedly stabbing people at Dollar General is not a good line of work or something. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video.